A bit on yesterday afternoon to explain this extraordinary scene here. What did happen? What was responsible for it all?
Amazing event, Chris. We're just not used to this sort of thing in the UK, of course. It's more like the pictures we get from the tropical regions where you get something like a hurricane going through. So a once-in-50-year event, as we know, it's something similar to the thing that happened in Lynmouth 52 years ago. It all started, innocently enough, a pretty good start to the day yesterday. Holidaymakers on the beaches would have been glad, I think, of the sea breezes coming in. But along the Cornish Peninsula, the sea breezes come in from both directions. Where they meet, that's what we call a convergence zone, and when those two winds meet, there's only one place they can go, and that's upwards. Now, normally there's a bit of a lid on the atmosphere during the summer months. This time it wasn't there. Those clouds began to build up and shot all the way up to around 40,000 feet, a great depth of cloud available to produce that heavy rain. So we've got thunderstorms developing along the line of those converging winds. Let's switch to the radar and see just how that developed. Keep your eye on the Boscastle area, see those bright colours developing, and the key to this, the way that they didn't move on. Often when we get showers, they tend to move through, so you get a quick heavy downpour, then they move on. Here we had a good 6 hours of that torrential rain. Now, it's been difficult to actually get a measure of just how much rain we saw out of it. Radar estimates from those pictures you've just seen, around about 130 millimetres. That's about 6 inches of rain, 5 or 6 inches of rain falling in the space of just a few hours. There could well have been more, though, over the higher ground inland. And compare that to the monthly average for this part of the world of around 70 to 90 millimetres. No wonder we had such an extreme event. So a bit of background there for you, Chris.
Well, and then thank you for the background, Peter, but then what's going to happen? Because you can see it's raining fairly hard now. I mean, they are worried about more rain this evening.
Yeah, I see you've got the brolly up there, and this is what we're concerned about. I should say, first of all, I don't think we're going to see anything like the intensity of rain that we got during yesterday, but yes, it is going to be wet through the rest of the afternoon and through the evening. You can see this time, though, from the radar picture, it's a much bigger area of rain, so you're going to get fairly steady rain, but not desperately heavy. Even so, there could be a good few hours of it. It's severe enough for the Met Office to have issued a severe weather warning for Devon, Cornwall, Dorset and Somerset for that heavy rain through the next few hours. There's some difficult travelling conditions around, and it's not just this part of the world now. Northern Ireland too, we've put out a severe weather warning. We're going to find all that heavy rain working its way northwards through this evening and overnight. In fact, an unsettled picture from the look of it throughout the next few days for most parts of the UK. But as far as Cornwall's concerned, yes, there will be some more showers, that more persistent spell of rain this evening. Tomorrow, though, just a case of sunny intervals and scattered showers, so no great amount of rain, I think, after this evening. Back to you.